Wearing color contact lenses for the first time? Follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth and comfortable experience. Always start with clean hands. Wash them with mouth soap and dry them with lint-free towel to avoid irritation. Place the lens on your fingertip and inspect it. Make sure it's clean, moist, and free from damage. Check that it's not inside out. The edges should curve up like a bowl and not flare out. Use your non-dominant hand to gently hold your upper eyelid. With your dominant hand, hold down your lower eyelid to create enough space for the lens. Look straight ahead or slightly downward and gently place the lens on your eye. Blink a few times to help it settle in place. If the lens feels dry or blurry, blink a few times or use re-wetting drops designed for contact lenses. If discomfort persists, remove and rinse the lens with multi-purpose contact lens solutions before trying again. Follow these steps on your other eye to complete the look. Always insert your contact lenses before applying makeup and remove them before taking off makeup to keep them clean and irritation-free. If you do have trouble putting in your contact lenses, there are tools out there that you can use to help put your lenses on, especially if you've already put makeup on or if you need help taking them out. Now you're ready to enjoy your new eye color with confidence.